What's your go-to AI system?
I'll just say Claude is my go-to. Like, nice. I let my dad know I'm in a long-term relationship, partnership. I've built a second brain for our organization, so that allows us to do all these other things better and up-leveled marketing, branding, you name it. I am a Claude Code convert.
Yes.
And I wasn't coding for the last like 20 plus years, and I'm like building.
That's epic.
I think if you're not adopting on some level, like you will be left behind. Like you will not be a strong worker in the economy and where we're going. Like I think that is probably true in most industries.
Right. What happens to the human experience when it comes to like thinking? And
I think it's a great piece to talk about, which is not full automation. And sometimes full automation may work. Sure. You can basically, if you step into and recognize the importance of the management. Have you ever managed a really bright analyst who's a human? Because I have, and it's hard, right?
Yeah, it is hard.
And I'm glad I had the human experience because it's similar with the AI, right? And I love efficiency, but I equally love the discernment to say, and when do you outsource? And when do you need to slow down? Slow down and rest, pause. There's really smart ways to use AI where, again, I'm going to call it human-led AI in the loop. And so I built these Claude skills that basically were things that we were doing repeatedly within our Slack member community, within our, email digest going to members, within our newsletter, LinkedIn posts. I will say out of building for a handful of hours, I saved us like 300 hours over the next like 6 months at a minimum.